everyone, welcome back to the kitchen. Today I've got a little bit something different. We're gonna make this vinaigrette. It's a garlic vinaigrette with a history, also known as a 1905 vinaigrette. It goes on a 1905 salad. It hails from Ybor City in Tampa, Florida. It has a Cuban background and it comes directly from the Columbia restaurant in that area. So I can't wait to show you how this all comes together. Today we're going to make a garlic vinaigrette that is sometimes known as a 1905 vinaigrette. It goes on a 1905 salad, and that salad is something we're going to be making in a separate video. It has a very interesting history. I just learned about it recently and I knew I had to make these for you. So this dressing comes from the Columbia restaurant, which is in Tampa, Florida, and it's in the Ybor City section of Tampa, and that has a super rich history, Cuban history. I've shared some of that history with you in other videos when we've made Cuban food, such as the Cuban sandwiches and different things that I've done with a Cuban theme. I had a very dear friend who was Cuban who sadly passed away a few years ago, and I miss her a lot. And every time I make Cuban things, I think of Liza, and it makes my heart happy. So today we're gonna make this garlic vinaigrette, aka 1905 vinaigrette, and it has a half a cup of good quality olive oil, a half a cup of white wine vinegar. It's gonna have 4 cloves of chopped garlic, 2 whole tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, and I'll tell you about this in a minute, the juice of 1 lemon, and then all of our flavorizers. We have a tablespoon of dried oregano, a teaspoon of onion powder, and a half teaspoon each of salt and black pepper. So just like with any other dressing, you're going to pop this in a jar. At least that's how I would make it. You know what, you guys? I think I screwed up. I think you're only supposed to use 1/4 cup of the white wine vinegar, because that's how a vinaigrette is made. So 1/4 cup of white wine vinegar and a half a cup of olive oil. And then in goes the juice of 1 lemon, 2 whole tablespoons of Worcestershire. I know that's like a shocking amount. And then we'll put our seasonings in there. They say that the Columbia restaurant uses the largest amount of Lee and Perrin's Worcestershire sauce in the entire world. That's how much they use. That's how many of these salads they sell in a year. So I think that's one of those little factoids that's kind of cool to know.
Fun fact.
It is a fun fact. I'm just going to give this a little bit of a stir with my spatula, and then we'll give it a good shake. If you really wanted to homogenize this, you could get in here with your immersion blender. That's a beautiful color. It's dark from the Worcestershire sauce, but I want to taste it, so I'm going to grab some lettuce and we're going to give this a taste. I'm not going to make a full-on salad, but I want to taste this on some greens. So I got myself some iceberg lettuce. Now traditionally the 1905 salad is made with iceberg lettuce, and they are not shy with the dressing. This salad itself I can't wait to share with you, because it just has a lot of stuff in it, and I love a salad with a lot of stuff, like a big salad, like, you know, Elaine style salad. If you guys are Seinfeld fans, you'll know what I'm talking about. Just want to mix up a little bit of this vinaigrette with the lettuce, and I'm going to taste it. You want to taste it?
If I have to.
Okay, here you go. Tell me what you think.
Good. Subtle.
Is it?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, wow. Mmm. It's good. It's definitely not as robust as I thought it would be. It's delicious though. Mmm. It's very, very good. Now look, this is only going to get, the flavor is only going to get better the longer it sits in your fridge. Keep it in your fridge for a couple of days and then make your 1905 salad. And we'll be back and we'll share the 1905 salad in the next video, I promise. That way you'll be able to use this. Oh, this is really good, you guys. I love trying new things. I love finding like heritage recipes like this with a history and a story. This really gets me excited because it really helps you understand the culture and the people of different places. So that is my garlic vinaigrette, aka 1905 vinaigrette. I hope you give it a try sometime soon, and I hope you love it. And until next time, I'll see ya.